Swim like a cyborg shark. Garmin Swim 2 tracks every splash, stroke and heartbeat. Even in open water. Ditch the soggy spreadsheets and waterproof guesswork. Garmin Swim 2 is the smartwatch that turns every lap into laser-focused swim data. Whether you're owning the lanes or flexing in the open ocean, this GPS swimming beast doesn't just count your strokes, it judges them. Yeah, it's that good. Monitor underwater heart rate, stroke type, SWOLF score, distance per stroke, like having a sarcastic, data-obsessed coach strapped to your wrist. And with auto rest mode, it even knows when you're chilling, no buttons, no drama. Lap after lap, it gives you performance insights faster than your excuses for skipping leg day. Let's talk bragging rights. Other swim watches quit when you dive into lakes, rivers, or oceans, but Swim 2 dives in headfirst with GPS-powered tracking. It records everything from stroke distance to stroke rate with the accuracy of a digital dolphin. Open water mode plus pool mode equals double threat. This isn't some dainty desk gadget dressed up like a sports watch. It's a battle-tested, chlorine-loving, salt-resistant savage that refuses to compromise. Drill logging, turn-based pacing alerts, critical swim speed training, it's the Michael Phelps of wearables, minus the medals, but hey, you'll earn those. What about when you're not swimming? Swim 2 doesn't take 5. It tracks sleep, steps, stress, and your so-called rest days with 24/7 monitoring. Want a wellness check mid-butterfly set? You got it. Its always-on color display is crystal clear, even when you're squinting through goggles. Add in smart notifications, guided breathing, and a battery life that can outswim your triathlon schedule, up to 72 hours in swim mode, and you've got a device that's built for endurance, just like you. Durability? Slam it into training. Garmin's gear is made for war, not water ballet. Let's be real, this watch saves you time, money, and mental math. No more miscounted laps or pacing confusion. No more expensive swim tech that looks cool but chokes when submerged. Swim 2 is affordable, accurate, and absurdly user-proof. Whether you're a beginner building endurance or an elite chasing microseconds, it adapts to your level. Its Garmin Connect Sync gives you a nerd-level breakdown of every workout, which you can share with your coach, friends, or just gloat online. You'll wonder how you ever swam blind before this. If your swim game is stuck in 2012, Garmin Swim 2 is your ticket to joining the big leagues. It's not just a swim tracker, it's a digital aquatic overlord. Accurate, durable, and ridiculously smart, this slate gray beast belongs on your wrist if you're serious about shaving seconds, dominating drills, and actually knowing how you're doing. Buy it once, own the water forever. Ready to turn every splash into stats? Then stop reading and start swimming.